Now, known plaintext attack means that the attacker knows some of the plaintext that's in the ciphertext. So I'm the attacker. I know at least some of the plaintext that has been encrypted. And so you think, well, great, you know it all. No, the goal is to get that key, figure out what the encryption key is. So it can be used to decrypt other messages. So if I have the plain text and the ciphertext, that gives me a little bit more information as an attacker in my ways that I'm going to go through to do cryptanalysis to try to figure out that key. And there's different examples of how somebody can get a hold of plain text and ciphertext. There's actually some devices will actually send out a live packets, saying, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Servers do that like on networks, and it goes over UDP. Now, some of them are set because they're going to communicate to specific systems that only are going to take like over SSL or some type of encryption, but they also have to tell all the other systems that are alive that don't require the encryption or to go over some type of SSL or VPN. And in that situation, when these alive packets are going out saying, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, you've got one that's plain text and one that's ciphertext. And that's just one example. There's several ways of getting both.